All right, trade recap for the day. I saw two trades that were potentially decent, but I actually didn't take them, and I'm gonna go over why. So going into the day, I had a slightly bullish bias because although we are in a high time frame sell model, it looks like we are heavily displacing towards this 4 hour. So it's probably going to be a retracement into this 4 hour before we distribute down to take that 4 hour intermediate low. So, all right, as market opens here, I'm looking to see us trade up to that 4 hour or look for like a pullback so we can trade up into that 4 hour. So we end up going towards it, and I thought we were going to hit it and then take shorts, but instead it just edges it and then starts ripping down. We end up tapping into a 15-minute gap, I believe, and then creating this 15-minute intermediate low. And then, so what we could take here is a continuation short, because if we're displacing down like that, we could possibly take this. So I was waiting to see this 5-minute get hit, which we hit right here. And then, so I would want to take a 30-second inversion here. And so we do get this 30-second inversion, nice displacement here, very strong displacement. And it looked decent to me. I could have taken this for a 1-to-1, but I didn't like how far we displaced past. Like, yes, this is still valid. But another thing that also took away from my conviction was that if we look here, yes actually hasn't tapped. Oh shit, what the fuck? Alright, well, um, yeah, right here, yes didn't actually tap into that 5-minute either. And what for a 30-second short like this, I would definitely want to see ES also hit that 5-minute just to give me more conviction, because a lot of times I'll notice that if both NQ and ES aren't in a position to distribute, we will get a retrace and a stop hunt on NQ just so ES can get into that gap, so then we can make the move. So that's why I faded this trade, which it did play out, but I'm okay with fading that because it went with like my rules, and I just wasn't highly convicted enough in a 30-second without ES hitting that gap. So then off this, we sweep the 15-minute intermediate low, and we form this 1-minute gap here, and we end up displacing right past, very nice displacement, and we also get a CISD as well. So you could have taken this 1 minute and gone for a 1-to-1 here, because overall the draw is still this 4 hour. But I just didn't like it because we were trading super close to this 5-minute intermediate high right here. So with this 5-minute intermediate high, uh, I would have wanted to break even here, but with this oh my god. But with this as my break even point, I just wouldn't be fully convicted because I don't want to be trading into this 5-minute and trading higher without having a break even point here, which yeah, this would have just broken me even instantly. But the trade did play out. If you had the conviction that the draw was higher here and you were just gonna ignore this 5-minute, this could have been a good trade. But me personally, like, I'm fading that. But yeah, that's my recap for the day. No trade day again, but yeah.